So do you find that sometimes when you add white, you're getting a shift of blue happening with your white? If you want to learn how to remedy that, then stick around. That's what I'm going to cover in today's video. For this test, I'm using an offcut from the Blair synthetic paper. This is great for doing photorealistic artworks. You can easily work on it and manipulate the paint. And the paint that I'll use for this test are the Createx illustration colors because they're best suited for this particular paper. Starting off with black, I spray darker in the middle, and then feather it out towards the edges. Now adding in some white, what I'm going to do this time is just dust through the middle, and you can really see that blue shift happening. It's super obvious now. Do a bigger highlight. So as I pan in, I think you can really notice that blue shift now. You can really see it all through here and just on all the overspray sections, and really heavily through the lighter areas of that white sitting on top of the lighter shaded black. And this is where you're going to question me and think I've lost my mind. But using orange, I'm using the Createx illustration colors orange for this, as these colors are completely transparent. And it was actually Dru Blair who shared this tip with me. I'm sure most of you are aware who Dru Blair is. If not, then I highly urge you to check out his work. He does amazing photorealistic artworks, and you can also get lots of helpful classroom in a box kits from him from schoolofrealism.com. I'll pop a few links in the description below so you can go check all that out, but I definitely want to give him credit for this because I wish, but I didn't come up with it myself. What I'm going to do is mask off half, and I'll spray my orange on this section. Again, finger there, just light tone. You don't need a lot. Just to really neutralize all that white. So make sure you get on the overspray as well. Just keep in mind too, if you are going to be doing this on an artwork, then you need to control where that orange is going. Now, working back over the top, I'll come right through with that white and brighten it up. Won't go much more than that. Now again, obviously that's a lot brighter than this side, but you can see that blue shift is completely gone. There's not even any blue shift within the overspray, whereas this is extremely blue now. You can really notice it when it's buttered up like that against the side that has the orange versus just spraying that white over the black. One other benefit of using the Blair paper is that you can use an eraser pencil like this. This is the 7057 by Faber-Castell. It has a pink end. This is for soft erasing textures, and it has a white end which is for harsher erasing textures. So the beauty of this is that you're not applying paint, you're removing it and you're going back to the white of the paper. So you can see that white highlight remains bright. There's no blue shift in that at all. And even when using the lighter one to create some texture, you can see again that texture is remaining white without that blue shift. So that's the other way you can avoid it, is by using synthetic paper and just doing your highlights like this. And you can see how easily that can be manipulated on this particular paper. So you can get all sorts of effects. Not a problem at all. So I hope that you better understand how to totally eliminate that blue shift happening in your artwork after watching this video. To continue your learning, be sure to check out some of the other videos and playlists that I've got listed here. And until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.